Life is a cycle, a set of gears working in conjunction. Depending on how you perceive it, it can be heaven or hell.
Becoming what? Slaves to this system like everybody else. And she becomes a slave too. She needs something different. We need mountains. We need dirt. We need air.
We are all sheep, slaves to the system. Some accept it, trying to navigate around it.
I'm not going to jail. I'm the last free man. I'm going straight up through the asshole to the mouth. You shits are gonna get flushed.
Some reject it, detesting society and its rules. Civilization has its perks, but it also has its flaws. Life is a constant loop, caught on repeat. With constant taxes on freedoms, we are owned by the government.
We have a 2-year-old.
What's your solution? We keep paying rent for the rest of our lives?
Sometimes we want to escape, leave society and all its complexities, leave a world where we are constantly being defecated on. How our life would be if we took a different route, made different choices. Wondering what the meaning of it all is. If we're lucky, we won't lose our mind in the process.